One of the great things about working with Inmarsat is we have the opportunity to work with some fantastic expeditions. And this one in particular, we're working with two guys, Louis and Anthony from Expedition 5, who are about to walk across the 5 largest islands in the world. The 5 islands the lads are going to walk across are Borneo, Papua New Guinea, Madagascar, Greenland and Baffin Island. Three of these islands are warm islands, tropical islands, and 2 of these islands are cold, Arctic islands.
Our route in Borneo is 1,408 kilometres. That's a similar distance from London Heathrow to Rome.
We brought the guys in to Inmarsat to give them a quick overview of who we are as a company and also to train them on the equipment that we're supplying them. They have an iSavvy for their data needs and they also have 2 iSatPhone 2s for their voice communications.
What we're going to do now is take a look at the iSavvy. This is the terminal you will be using on the ground.
Good to go.
Yeah, I just phoned my mobile off there and it was sound.
What comes up?
So we see them using the iSavvy for their data needs. This will be for updating their blogs on social media, for staying connected with their sponsors, so they get a direct feel and a day-to-day touch with the guys on the walk. And then they'll be using their phones for their welfare calls, for any kind of medical needs. And data can also back them up with medical needs for telemedicine, for instance, with their remote doctor.
The comms element of an expedition, it brings an incredible amount to the expedition. With the Inmarsat kit, it's given us the ability to do that.
As former Royal Marines, they're extremely well trained and physically fit. However, it is going to be a challenge, but it is for a worthy cause. I'm looking forward to seeing their progress and follow them as they go. Good luck, guys.